Let's first talk about IndusInd Bank, the bigwig of the lot of updates that have come through the weekend. Net advances have grown a solid near 4.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, 18.5% on a year-on-year basis. They've guided for a growth of 15 to 20% and they're getting that. Deposits have grown around 13.25% on a year-on-year basis, and CASA has grown 16+%. So definitely healthy growth in CASA there. 1.1% is the year-on-year growth in CASA, 40 bips up versus Q4 of FY22. Moving quickly on to Federal Bank. Well, Federal Bank saw its gross advances grow over 4.5% quarter-on-quarter, almost 16.5% on a year-on-year basis. Deposits went up a more tepid 9.1% year-on-year, around 0.8% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. CASA grew 14.5% on a year-on-year basis. So strong growth on at least the advances side for Federal Bank as well. And when we're looking at IDFC First, that's the third bank which came out with updates, well, funded assets grew 21% on a year-on-year basis. Now that's impressive. 6.5+% quarter-on-quarter. Deposits too showed healthy growth, 20.5% year-on-year, almost 10% quarter-on-quarter. So strong growth on both those sides. CASA is what is leading that deposit growth, 22% growth in CASA on a year-on-year basis, 11% quarter-on-quarter. So very strong numbers from at least IDFC First. And last is CSB, which also showed decently strong numbers, 16.5% growth on advances. Deposit side too grew almost 8.5+%, and CASA up around 15%, all of those on a year-on-year basis.